Okay, so going to the trade now. Um, going long in this case. So break it down, nice and easy. Um, so yeah, I mean we traded up, taking out these equal highs here, and we've now traded back down into a discount. Filled this fair value gap here, which we've shown a bullish reaction off of, and I think now we're looking to target this high here. I'm pretty confident with this trade, to be honest. On the 4 hour, there's nothing really going on, but for me, our drawn liquidity is this high here. I don't see why, there's this fair value gap in it, I don't see why we'd come back down into that before we take out this high. I think we're going to try and run up higher, set this high, maybe this fair value gap, maybe this order block, but continue to act bullish. On the 1 hour, we've been trending up. I mean, we held this fair value gap there, just about. I mean, you could argue we didn't, because price opened like, oh, let's delete that. Like this one did, but then price opened a little bit lower, so it didn't. But I don't know if that quite counts as an inverse. Anyway, we've traded up, inverse this fair value gap here, which is filled me with a bit of confidence, which is good. My computer's bugging out today, must be the heat. And then traded back down into this order block here, as you can see, which on the 15-minute looked a little bit like this, came back down, swept out sell side here, traded into this order block here, having had a change in state delivery. You can see we traded and pushed up away from that area, traded back down into there, as well as sweeping out sell side. We've then expanded up, and then traded back down into this fair value gap here, expecting price to hopefully now react and push up to that previous day high that we'd mentioned. Entering really off the 5 minute, you can see we had this order block here which we tapped, which I'm looking to kind of go off of now, which leaves us with a 2.12R trade. Really entering off the 5 minute, as I said. I wouldn't be surprised if price was a little bit lower, maybe into this order block here, but I don't think we should come down and take out this low, since the sell side has already been swept there. And it's not buy side, sell side. I've got this written out. I always get caught the wrong way, get it the wrong way around. And I can never remember what the best way to do it is. My best way to remember it. So yeah, we've swept out the sell side here, so I don't see why price should come lower again now. Wouldn't be surprised if we trade a little bit deeper into this area, because I know right now we're not trading, I don't think quite. Oh no, we are into a discount. Okay, that's good. It looks pretty good. So I'm going to go off that, see how we get on. Yeah, 2.12R, which works out to be in. So it could be that 3 minute being filled right there. I held it particularly well. We're going out. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I mean, I was pretty happy with this setup. I'd like to see us push up, but maybe not. We're trading into that 4 hour. I swear, why are we? Oh no, we've even inversed that. So there's something bearish for some reason. I can't work out why. Bear with me. Something's bearish. I don't know what we've not traded up into anything. I'm not really unhappy with that. I think the setup was very nice. I took the setup, and for some reason we're just bearish. So I don't know why we'd get that close to that previous day high and not take it, especially given the fact that it's a fair value gap up there as well. So I'm not unhappy with that trade, because I followed my rules. I didn't rush the entry. I didn't do anything I wouldn't ordinarily have done, and it was just unlucky to kind of caught the wrong kind of end of the stick there, I suppose. But as I said, entry was good. Happy with it. And sometimes the entry is good and you're still going to take a loss. So one of them. Move on. I'll watch this play out and kind of reflect in my journal. I'm just assuming that we are bearish on the day, or we're reaching for this low before we push higher, which is a bit of a weird thing to do given the fact that we've already kind of filled this area here. So I don't know. I'll let it play out, see how we get on. But yeah, any thoughts, let me know. Otherwise, I'll catch you in the next one. Appreciate it.